Hello, my name is Nurma Hasana. I would like to explain related to my research proposal with the title Reducing Student Ancients to Speak English. Uh, this survey study at the 8th grade of the one school in Chiamis. The first is background of the study. Background of study. Empirical research show that ancient foreign language students are less willing to participate in learning activity and have lower performance than non-ancient students. Uh, it's related from AIDA 1994, McClintock and Gardy 1941 in Steel Play Kiders 2010, page 39. Student ancients to speak English very important to be solved because it can be influence their speaking ability. Besides that, speaking English must be practiced to be success, pronunciation and vocabulary, especially to improve their speaking ability. Many causes of student ancients to speak English. It's important for students to reduce their ancients to speak English because Baylor in Jan 2001 in page 52 say a contributing factor to students to learner success or failure to master second or foreign language is the manner that learn for their words appreciation and even did when faced with a certain language. According to learning theory of Thorndike, as explained by Surya 1996 in page 2009 state, the learning theory of Turkey represents the original S&R framework of behavioral psychological. Learning is the result of association forming between stimuli and response, such as association or habits become strengthened or weakened by the nature and frequency of the SR pairing. In this case, the writer intended to take up that problem to his paper entitled Reducing Student Ancient to Speak English in One School in Ciamis. The next is reason for choosing the topic. Reason for choosing the topic. The first is student ancients to speak English in the class is a problem commonly found in English study, especially for speaking. All teachers need a place to share about student problem. Anxiety is one of the wide varieties of emotional and behavior disorder. And the last is anciently is one of the fundamental sensations of human. The next is research question. Research question from uh, reducing student ancients to speak English. The first is what are the causes of student ancients to speak English? The second is how the student anticipate the reduce their anciently to speak English. Purpose of the study. This research will be aimed at the find out. The first is the cause of students ancients to speak English. The second is the student anticipate to reduce their ancient to speak English. And then significance of the study. The first is for teacher. To this research, the teacher will be able to increase teaching speaking better, to know the cause of student ancient to speak English and how students anticipate to reduce their ancient to speak English. And then for researcher, to this study, the writer will be able to improve his knowledge in writing good paper and to improve his knowledge in student and science to speak English. And the last is for other researcher. Other researcher can use the result of this research as a comparative study. The next is definition of key-term. In the title, Reducing Student Ancient to Speak English, there are three key terms. The first is reducing, the second is student, and the third is ancient. Reducing is overcome the student ancient to speak English, and the second is student. Student is a person who studied a particular academic subject, and the last is ancient. Ancient is the problem in this study. Ancient is one of the psychological difficulties. It's uh, from Roger 2001, cited in Vitasari 2010 in page 89. According to Sarason, that ancient is a basic human emotion consisting of fear and uncertainty that typically appear when an individual perceives an event as being a threat to the ego or self-esteem. Uh, it's according from Harris and Coy 2003, cited in Vitasari 2010 in page 89. Ancient and fear are sometimes distinguished from the another on two dimensions. Uh, the first dimension is the subject of a fear is easy to specify, while the object of an ancient is often unclear. The second is the intensity of a fear is proportional to the magnitude of the danger. Okay. The next is some of the cause of ancient. The first is communication appreciation, the second is taste ancient, the third is fear of negative evolution. Let's discuss one by one. Come from communication appreciation. Communication appreciation, student personality traits such as shyness, quietness, and resignedness are considered to frequently perceived in communication apprehension. This feeling of shyness differential from individual to individual and from situation to situation. According to Minkowski and Born 1984 in Denver 2007 in page 12 found seven factors that could result in student quiet. The first is low intellectual skill. The second is low speech skill, and the third is voluntary social introversion. The fourth is social alienation. The fifth is communication ancient. The sixth is low social self-esteem. The seventh is ethnic or cultural difference in communication norm. Okay, the second is test ancient. Test is also relevant to the discussion of foreign language ancient. Test anciently, as explained by Horwitz in 1986. He refers to a type of performance anciently stemming from a fear of failure. And the last, fear of negative evaluation. Fear of negative evaluation is an extension of the second component or test ancient of the second or foreign language ancient because it is not limited to test taking situation, but it may occur in any social evaluative situation such as interviewing for a job or speaking in second or foreign language class. It's according from Howard in 1986 in page 100,126 in Travel 2007 in page 14. It is also broader in the sense that it pertains not only to the teacher evaluation of the student but also to the perceived reaction of the student as well as where limited processing mental capacity may cause ancient. Conversely, ancient may restrict this operational capacity of the mind, and both together may cause impaired performance or altered behavior. Researchers have found a recursive or recycling relationship among ancient cognition and behavior. Okay, the next is research methodology. There are 6 research methodology. The first is design, the second is procedure, the third is population and sample, the fourth is setting of the study, the fifth is data collection, and the last data analysis. Okay, the first is design. According to Noonan and Baylor, 2009, in page 25, the overall purpose of a survey is to obtain a snapshot of condition, attitude, and or even of an entire population at a single point in time by collection data from a sample drawn from that population. Relevant to the purpose of research question above, survey study design will be employed to capture the design about reduce student ancients to speak English. Survey study involves systematically gathering in enough information about a particular person, social setting, even to permit the region to effectively understanding how the subject operates and how the subject solves the problem. And then the second is produce. Produce. The writer will carry out the research comprising some steps as follows. The first is asking for permission to the headmaster of one school in Ciamis, and then giving the questionnaire to the student, and then conducting the interview, calculating the percentage from the data of questionnaire, making the transcript of interview, and then generalize the data of interview, and the last is making conclusion. And then the third is population and sample. As population, the writer will take the student at the eighth grade of one school in Ciamis. To determine the sample, the research will use cluster sampling technique. Because there are more than one class in the school, there will only be one class which will be given treatment. Cluster sampling technique is restrict one selection to a particular subgroup from within the population. And then the fourth is setting of the study. This study will be conducted in one of junior high school in Ciamis Regency, West Java. And then data collection technique. It's impossible to collect the data from respondent without any instrument. There will be several instruments used by writer to get the data from respondent. For example, questionnaire and interview manual to discover the cause of student anxiety to speak English and the student anticipate to reduce their anxiety to speak English. The researcher will use a questionnaire and interview. The interview will be conducted to validate data from the question. And the next is data analysis technique. The first is data analysis of questionnaire to investigate the cause of student anxiety and the student anticipate or strategies to anticipate the difficulties. The researcher will give a questionnaire. The writer will use closed item on questionnaire method. According to Noonan and Baylor 2009, in page 113, closed item on questionnaire which the range of possible response is determined by the researcher and the response selected from the evaluate of options provided. The data from questionnaire will be analyzed by using close item on questionnaire. And the next is data analysis interview. To obtain data of this study, the writer used standardized open-ended interview according to Turner 2010 in pages 715 and 56. Standardized open-ended interview are likely the most popular form of interviewing utilizer in research study because the nature of the open-ended question allowing the participant to fully express their viewpoint and express the data from interview will be analyzed by generalize of the data. And then last, in conclusion, the research will be with the title Reducing Student Ancients to Speak English will be held in one school in Ciamis in the 8th grade using survey and interview. Thank you.